Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. Today we got this CRV 2-litre self-charging hybrid SR in stock for you. Really nice car, covered in all black. Looks good with the black alloys as well. Came off a nice customer. We sold it from brand new as well. To start off with, we got LED automatic headlights, front and rear parking sensors. We got turn indicating fog lights as well. Looks really nice with all black interior and the chrome. In this video I'll be walking you around the car, showing you any wear and tear done by the previous owner. So you got 18-inch alloy wheels. The first alloy there, which is really nice. You got side mounts as well. You got roof railings on top, rear privacy glass. Comes with the hybrid emblem there. The second alloy down there. Coming on to the rear, we got your rear parking sensors along with the reverse camera. Got LED tail lamp as well. I'll show you the boot space of this car. Real lovely boot space, as you can imagine. On the CRV you do have your toolkit and tire repair kit as well. Retractable partial shelf, 60/40 split sliding seats which do all the way fall down if you want them to, as you can see. That's your reverse camera. Coming around to the right hand side of the car, got the third alloy there. It's been lovely looked after. Not been, you can't see any scratches or anything on the car, as you can see. Got ivory interior on this car. Just come about in a minute. The last alloy. So yeah, real lovely outside exterior, kept in good condition. Got easy accessible in and out, which is keyless entry. You do have all 4 automatic windows down here, along with your wing mirror functions, which do fold and are heated too. Locking system, and you got ivory trim on the doors as well. I'll show you the rear ones. As you can see, nicely tucked. So you got the third climate control down there, along with a couple of USBs and ISOFIX setting on both the sides on the seat. Tons of leg room as well. Down here we got heated windshields. You do have parking sensors, your lane departure warning down there, mitigation system, your motion sensor, and also your vehicle stability control, along with your power button there. Storage space under there, loads of storage space here as well. Let's jump in and I'll show you the miles on this car. So the car's done 25,629 miles, which is nothing on a CRV, as you know. Auto headlights, auto wipers. You do have pedal shifters for your sports mode. You got adaptive cruise control with lane keep assist, and also your buttons on the right hand side are for your Bluetooth hands-free function and your navigation screen up here. So you do have navigation as standard, which is Honda Garmin, which is nice. Also you do have DAB, FM, AM, Bluetooth hands-free, and also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You just have to plug it in. So your many automatic gearbox up here. I'll show you the reverse camera. It's really nice. It's got 3 modes as well. Got heated front seat for driver and passenger with 3 modes on them. Come in handy during winter days. The climate control is dual zone, so your passenger can have own climate and your own temperature for yourself. Electric handbrake, brake hold, and your drive modes up here: EV, Eco, and Sports. Which is, as you can see, the engines come on straight away. So a couple of cup holders here, lots of storage space, along with your USBs down there. So yeah, that's the service history of the car, by the way. So all 3 Honda stamps. The next service will be done by us, by our Honda trained technicians. So yeah, the cars will leave with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.